Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm doing a quick video on the new Watermelon Glow Lip Pop from Glow Recipe. As you can tell, I'm very blonde. I don't know what happened. I went to the hairdressers and I just decided to go blonde because why not? Anyway, this is their first lip balm. It is a nourishing and AHA smoothing lip balm. And the packaging is beautiful. This is the packaging. Love it. And I love the packaging of the actual carton, which is impossible to open. It says you can apply 3 coats to build up color. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go in with the first coat. And you do feel the granules pretty much immediately. And there's loads of granules on my lips. This is it. So it does give a really nice tint to my lips and it smells very watermelon-y fresh, and the granules have kind of disappeared a little bit into my lips. So I'm gonna go in with the second coat. It has built up the colour it's become quite deep. It's nice. The granules do take a couple of minutes to disappear. I'm gonna go in with the final and third coat. Oh, I actually hate opening this, it's really stiff. And I think by the third coat, your lips are so silky and so smooth that you really don't need any more lip balm. I think 1 to 2 coats is absolutely plenty, because it's just like my lips are so slippery now. So that's the third and final coat, but it does feel so soft and smooth and silky. The first time I used this, I actually had like bits of my lip coming off, which wasn't very nice. I do really like this shade of pink. I think it's really natural and I feel like it's flattering for every skin tone. This is in the shade Watermelon Pink and I think it's a gorgeous natural shade. Love the shade, love the formula, love the feeling of it. Yeah, there's a lot to like. I think the price is a bit pricey. It's £19, and even though the packaging is cute, I do feel like it's not cute enough to cost £19. I've been carrying around this Dior Lip Glow for a long time. This is my second one and I restocked and I love it. But I didn't realise that this was as expensive as it was. This is £28, which is quite steep for a lip balm. I do think that's quite a lot. And I didn't really click as I bought it. I feel like their packaging is a bit more appropriate for the price, whereas I feel like this one, the actual product itself is appropriate for the price, but the packaging kind of lets it down a bit. I think it's a bit basic and I think it looks a bit cheap. It kind of looks like the Maybelline Baby Lips, which is a nice product, but it's like £8. This is 19, so it just feels a bit like jarring. The thing I love about the Dior Lip Glow the most is that it's got this little thing here and it helps you open it. So when you're like, if your hands are slippery or you've just moisturized and creamed them, or you know, it's like a hot summer's day and you've got like sweaty fingers, you can still open it and give yourself some nourishment. Whereas this one, you cannot open it if your hands are slippery at all. So that's the only thing I don't like about this. Apart from that, I do think it's a really nice product. And the price, when you think about it in comparison to this, isn't too bad. But I still think it should be a bit cheaper. Don't know why, I just do. Anyway, I probably would buy this again because I do like the feeling on my lip. It's left them super soft and silky and lovely and watermelon-y fresh. So I do like that. I just think I'd still buy this. Even though this one's probably a better formula, I'd still buy this because it's cute and it's practical. Oh, it's just so easy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.